Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anamta Rizvi, your UGC NET English Literature Educator at Study IQ. Today we are going to do very important lesson, and that is most important American novelist. All right, I'll just put the PPT here. As you can see, the most important American novelists are a very crucial integral part of your UGC NET English Literature exam, क्योंकि यहाँ से बहुत questions पूछे जाते हैं. So let's go ahead with our lesson. Guys, we are starting with a very brand new batch English Literature के लिए from 3rd October 2024. Very comprehensive और UGC NET December 2024 GRF के लिए जो भी prepare करें NET के लिए, please go ahead, avail this course. You will get all the recorded classes, PPTs, PDFs, MCQs, mock test papers, and we are going to do a very thorough learning on literature. Okay, so guys, you can the course is for 5,999 and you can use my code AR Live to get further discounts. Now let's go ahead with our lesson for the day. Herman Melville, can you see Herman Melville का Moby Dick एक बहुत ही epic work है इनका, बहुत ही ज़्यादा इसको amazing consider किया जाता है literature अमेरिका में. And this key work Moby Dick is around written in 1851. And this novel follows Captain Ahab's obsessive quest. this Ahab, this character is obsessed कि इसको Moby Dick को capture करना है. It explores themes of revenge, there's limits of knowledge, and the relationship between humans and nature. And this is the reason that text is very important. इससे काफ़ी questions आ चुके हैं कि इसका एक opening line भी है जो कि बहुत famous है, Call Me Ishmael. उसके नाम से this is a very important text, and this is the whale, and this is that is Moby Dick, and this is Ahab, the character. Okay, next we have is Nathaniel Hawthorne. Nathaniel Hawthorne का Scarlet Letter एक बहुत ही popular work है जो कि लिखा गया था Victorian era में, that is around 1850. Set in Puritan New England में set है entire work. This novel tells the story of Hester Prynne. ये Hester Prynne है the main character, who is shamed for committing adultery and must wear a scarlet A on her chest. So she falls in love with another man from her marriage, and she then has a baby. और सबको पता चल जाता है कि उसने adultery किया है, and she always has to wear this red letter A so that to signify कि yes, she is an adulteress. Okay, this is Puritan New England में 1850, a very important work. Mark Twain, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, 1884, a very popular American text. The novel follows Huck Finn as he travels down this is Huck Finn as he travels down the Mississippi River with an escaped slave Jim. So it's a story about a young boy and an escaped slave Jim. Okay, it addresses issues of racism, freedom, and moral dilemmas. We all know कि American literature में racism पे बहुत work लिखा गया है, and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn racism का बहुत important aspect है. दो characters होते हैं इसमें, the slave Jim and Huck Finn. Okay, Huckleberry Finn. Next you have is F. Scott Fitzgerald की The Great Gatsby 1925, talking about the American dream. Okay, so this is The Great Gatsby, बहुत अच्छी movie भी है. So you have set in the Roaring 20s 1925 में बहुत अच्छा literature आया था, तब इसको Roaring 20s कहते हैं. This novel explores the life of Jay Gatsby and his unrequited love for Daisy Buchanan. दो main characters हैं इसमें. This is your Jay Gatsby and Daisy Buchanan. It delves into themes of wealth, class, the American dream, and the hollowness of society. American dream क्या है, किस तरह की है, इसमें बहुत explore किया गया है, and this is the reason कि American dream इतना integral part है American literature का कि इसको पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is बहुत पूछा जाता है guys एग्जाम में. Fitzgerald का The Great Gatsby 1925. Leonardo DiCaprio की बड़ी अच्छी movie भी है Great Gatsby पे, so you can entertain yourself and watch that movie also. Then William Faulkner का आता है The Sound and the Fury 1929 की novel है. This novel is about the decline of the Compson family. Remember the name Compson family. Question आ चुका है इस पे कि कौन सी family के बारे में बात होती है. It is the Compson family told through multiple perspectives and time shifts. You can see it is all time. हर कैरेक्टर एक अलग टाइम के बारे में बता रहा है. कोई 20 साल पहले की बातें बता रहा है, कोई प्रेजेंट की पहले बातें बता रहा है, कोई पास्ट की, कोई फ्यूचर की. So it is about, it's known for complex, very complex narrative structure and exploration of Southern tradition, family, and mental illness. Okay, and this is your William Faulkner की Sound of Fury being told from different time frames. Okay, next you have is Ernest Hemingway ki The Old Man and the Sea. Very popular work written in 1952. After some years, Ernest Hemingway also won a Nobel Prize. So this is your The Old Man and the Sea. This novella tells the story of Santiago. This is Santiago जिसको एक कैप्चर करना है बहुत बड़ी फिश को. An old fisherman who struggles to catch a giant marlin. That is a giant marlin. उसको struggle करे कि कैसे उसको कैप्चर करे. The story is about endurance, pride and man's struggle against nature. Okay, so ये बहुत ही मोटा टेक्स्ट नहीं है, कम पेजेस का टेक्स्ट है, लेकिन very popular even today. Okay, even in today's time. Next comes your work, Toni Morrison का Beloved. Guys, ये बहुत important work है in the context of racism as well. Why? Because 1987 में publish हुआ है. It is set after the American Civil War. American Civil War slavery की war थी, जब 1861 से लेकर 1865 तक 4 साल ये अमेरिकन सिविल वॉर रही है नॉर्थ अमेरिका में और साउथ अमेरिका में. इट वॉज अ क्रेजी टाइम, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम, एंड इट वॉज अबाउट द फ्रीडम ऑफ स्लेव्स. सो दिस नॉवल फॉलो सेठ and escaped a slave haunted by the ghost of her dead child. वो सेठे अपने बच्ची को मार देती है. Why? Because she does not want her child to become a slave. And पूरी नॉवल में, पूरी कहानी में वो जो घोस्ट है उस बच्ची का जो मारती है उसके साथ रहता है. So it's a different story. The novel explores themes of trauma, memory, slavery and the complexities of motherhood. Beloved by Toni Morrison. Then comes Ralph Ellison ka An Invisible Man, 1952. This novel is about an unnamed African American narrator who feels socially invisible. Can you see we are talking so much about race in all these works, because race is a very crucial part of American literature, and this is the reason that any text जो कि race के बारे में बात करता है वो आप ignore नहीं कर सकते हैं. It explores racial discrimination, identity and the struggle for self-awareness in a racially divided America. So can you see this man? He is an African American man, thinks that he is invisible. अगर वो चला भी जाए दुनिया से किसी को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा, because he feels invisible. Okay, so with this guys we are coming to the end of the most important American novelist. In order to pass your exam, do not miss this. We are aiming for UGC NET English Literature JRF. So all the students who want to enroll the course, go ahead. The course is for 5999. यहाँ पे आपको paper 1 as well as paper 2 मिल रहा है. मेरा कोड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, code ARLive, and you will get good discount on this. All right. So go ahead, be a part of the study IQ and succeed in this coming UGC NET English Literature exam in December. Thank you everyone.